Welcome again and thanks for joining us for Links 007 TV Celebrity to the Scoop. So just checking in on the whole entire situation with Shenseea after Shenseea did a stellar performance at the Rolling Out event in the USA. Now who was on hand was Ramesh as well, who was a part of the whole entire lineup of the setup of carrying out Shenseea on the stage. Now we have that to share with you to come right now, right here on Links 007 TV. If it's the first time you're watching, please remember just to like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with the latest entertainment news report. We'll be right back after this short break. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV, Celebrity to the Scoop. This is a place where you get the best in local and international news on celebrities. So coming up on the scoop for today, Shenseea did a wonderful performance at the staging of the 2021 Rolling Out event in the United States. We saw a number of top international celebrities and top hip-hop stars performing on the same stage with Shenseea. Now, this has heightened much tension after it was announced that Ramesh was actually a part of the whole entire lineup of this entire setup for Shenseea's performance. With that said, Ramesh actually gave a stage performance after he was actually the one that took out Shenseea on the stage in that jerk pan. Now this has heightened the speculation as it relation to what Ramesh is actually doing in relation to Shenseea's career, considering the fact that Shenseea now has a new manager. Now Shenseea has been riding on the wave of success with her recent hit single Run 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 that has been doing extremely well on the social media platform YouTube, which in just under a week has able to garner just under 3 million views. Now the song has been heightened with much speculation as well. Now the song itself, Run Run Run, has been drawn into focus into different aspects based on the content that was delivered in the music video. Now a number of people have reviewed the content, especially one top person in the entertainment space, and that is Footer Hype. And Footer Hype actually weighed in on the issue and gave his views in relation to what he believed the song is actually portraying. Now, as you know, Footer Hype is one that has always tried to give his point and his views in relation to situations, and some of the time he might be wrong, some of the time he might be on point. However, with this song, many people, not only Footer Hype, is actually speculating on the content and what is being delivered or what is being portrayed in relation to this song. But as you know, Shenseea is one of the top international Jamaican recording artists that many have seemed to believe that she will be the one that will break on the international scene, such as Rihanna, Nicki Minaj. Now, with that said, with the new management team and the whole entire setup behind Shenseea, many are looking for Shensea's career to get this big rise. This big rise that many believe that Romiech was unable to do to push her on that international platform. But I'm just hoping that Shenseea does still maintain her composure, still try her very best to just put out some wonderful music out there to her fans right across the world, and still try to maintain that authenticity of our culture, and that is within our dancehall music space, and not try to filter it down and try to garner it more as a hip-hop based type of music that she's trying to portray to the world. And that is what is being said by many reviews out there on social media, that they believe that Shensea's music will be watered down to feature more of a hip-hop R&B type of flavor instead of the whole entire dancehall flavor that she broke on the scene with many years ago. But Shenseea is a very articulated person, and I believe that she will deliver what is best for her musical career, but still hoping that she maintain that authenticity of our culture and our music. But she has been getting a number of backlash on social media in relation to this current video that is out there, which has garnered almost 3 million views in just a week and actually trend on number one for a period of time on the popular social media network YouTube. Now, with that said, this manager that is in charge of Shenseea right now is actually a top international manager, as he has managed The Weeknd and recently signed P. Diddy, one of the top international recording artists of the world. Now, can you just imagine that level of influence that this lineup will have on the career of Shenseea, and how this will push Shensea's career more on the international market? But with that said, we're just hoping that she still maintain herself and not try to portray herself to be someone else that she's not, just in order to garner that international fan base. Still keep the thing authentic and just try to portray who you are and that music that you know that you're able to do, and not water it down just to feature in top recording stars light. And with that, we just have to just hope for the best for her musical career. We wish her all the best with this new endeavor with her management team. But as you can see, Ramesh is still a part of the team, and I believe with this rolling out event that was held recently, it has heightened more speculation in relation to the part that Ramesh is actually playing in the career of Shenseea, because both of them have been tight-lipped about the whole entire situation as to what part Ramesh is actually playing right now in the career of Shenseea. But Ramesh has played a very instrumental role in the development and also the sustainability of Shensea's musical career from the start up till now. And I don't believe that Shenseea would have just dropped him from her background just like that, considering the fact that he was actually the one that propelled her career to where it is in this current state, and he was actually the one that manipulated the whole entire situation that brought it to where it is today. And many people out there are actually speculating whether or not Shenseea has been garnered into these whole entire superstitious things as it relates to the music. But with that, I can't really comment much on that because I'm not really into that whole entire speculation thing. But there are many people out there that has been speculating on social media whether or not Shenseea had sold her soul in order to get to this level of her musical career. And there just been so much things being said about this female. However, we're happy for her success, and we're just looking for her to just wave that flag of Jamaica high over there right across the world, because we have not had such a star being on the scene for such a long time, because our musical endeavors has been just limited to Bob Marley, Sean Paul and Shaggy. Those are actually the three international superstars that really broke out on that international platform that many want to see our music being portrayed right across the world. And for a female to be garnering this level of attention, it's a very good look for the music. However, we're just hoping that she maintain that authenticity within our music space and continue to wave that flag of Jamaica high up there in the sky. But as you know, Shenseea has been doing her thing, and she has been really performing and trying to propel her career on that international market space, which is very good. And we here as fans and supporters of our music and our culture, we just want to just promote her and just try our best to maintain that level of realness and that level of push in order to get her out there on that international platform. But we're just hoping that as well, that the music is just sustained and maintained in order to relate what is our culture and not to be watered down based on this run song that has been featured out there now. Many people are speculating that this does not have anything to do with our culture, based on the fact that it has taken on that international appearance based on the music video and what is being portrayed in that music video. But Foota Hype weighed in on the issue. Foota Hype gave his views in relation to what he believes should be done with Shensea's career, and I believe that he raised some very important points in his speech. And we always try to portray what is being said about others out there, and however, with that said, we just have to maintain that level of authenticity of our music and just try to push our culture out there, because if we do that, we have opened the doors for many other top stars to be created based on this. So we just have to try our very best to maintain our music, our culture, and try to push that out there to be accepted by the world. This is where I'm gonna leave this one here for now though. Thanks for watching. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. You can just drop it in the comment section though. Let me know how you feel about this one, and how do you feel about this new music video, Shenseea, Run Run Run. I look forward to hear your responses in the comment section. This has been Links 007 TV. Taking you out for now. Have a blessed and productive day.